Morning everybody, and welcome to an allotment. Down today to just carry on doing some tidying up, and a couple of more beds to sort of clear, so we'll sort of show you what we're going to do with them in a tick. So I'll switch over cameras and give you a quick look. Here what we're going to do today is, before that, we're going to clear some of this bed, and maybe the outside, I don't know, but try and get this bed clear. So Jill and Rob are busy getting tools sorted to do that. Rob's got some secateurs. He's going to cut some of the spiky stuff up. So let you see him doing that.
I'm going to boom pile.
I don't put it on there. Is there not more to cut off?
Yes, loads.
So I'm going to start clearing this bed, and if we get time, there's some beds up there if we can't get dug over. If not, we've got plenty of time. So
try come back up again.
So I'll come back later and show you how we've done with this. Right, we've just tidied that up, and we're now going to work on the outside, getting whatever's needed pulled into here, so we can have the outside nice and tidy. So I'll show you that when we come back. Okay, we've been clearing this bed. A lot of leaves there, they'll rot in. We've got to try and get these two stumps out. Two stumps down there. When Dan was done, we're going to try and get them out. If not, I'll just saw them right back. So that's in there. And we've put some lights along the fence. I'll just give you a little idea what they're like. It's not dark. And we'll put some here as well.
What are you doing, Dan?
Put your hand on. Rob's got to put his hand on, see if we can get them to light up. See if we can show you. Would it be light? There you go. There you go. So they're going all along here. So that'll be lit up at night. So we're back with you in a minute. And we have put some more crisp lights up on this. Rob's putting his hand over so you can see them in the light. I'll pull back to show you where it is. Right, you can put that in now. So that's now going to be lit up at night. So that's that done. Okay, that's the video done for today. Hope you enjoy. Please don't forget, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll do another one next time I'm down here. So bye for now.